Give me you. Everything else can wait. Give me you. I hope I'm not too late.
Fall isn't about pumpkins. It's about transition. As the air cools, we naturally shift the way we live. We layer on richer fabrics, swap light linens to knits and wools, and add warmth through textiles. The same goes for our homes. Fall is about creating a cozy atmosphere, a sense of comfort that welcomes us in after crisp, cold days. It's not simply decorating. Hey family, welcome back to another video. For those new subbies, my name is Judith, an interior designer, and I love all things design, DIYs, creating a space that I love to live in, and giving you all the knowledge that you need for design. So if that is something that you're looking for, go ahead and share it to someone else because they're gonna love it too. And if you have not hit that subscribe button as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you're gonna definitely love what you're seeing on this channel. Family, today we are doing some things new that I told you guys, kind of hinted about in my last video. So today we're gonna be working on my bedroom, and I am not just refreshing for fall, I am refreshing for all. Guys, enjoy this simple DIY that you can do in your home as well. I live in an apartment and there's still something in me that don't want to put too much things on the wall that's going to be hard to remove because I want my deposit back. So this is an easy DIY that you can definitely do in your home. It's very simple and it's not going to break the bank. I will estimate that each one of these panels for each side cost about $40 in total. Stay tuned for the end of this video so you can see how these turned out. When I tell you, your girl is in R, she is in R.
What would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just went through it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say, all to Jesus I surrender. All to thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily live. Yeah, I surrender all. Ooh, I surrender all. Yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. I'm in awe. Oh my God, you amaze me. You're the bomb, and I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in the days. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't commit my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing. And your heart is in the wrong place, so is it you hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all to thee. I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Oh yeah, I surrender all. Yeah, Fill our praise in this place. Have your way. It's your way. Fill our praise in this place. Have your way. It's your way. Great is the Lord our God. All in all you reign. Be exalted. The King is exalted. Great is the Lord our God. All in all you reign. Be exalted. The King is exalted. Lord, you surround me. Rivers of fire from your throne. Flashes of lightning. Yes, you are here. Lord, you surround me. Rivers of fire from your throne. Flashes of lightning. Yes, you are here. So fill our praise in this place. Have your way. It's your way. Fill our praise in this place.
As the season changes, I love to refresh my home and bring in cozy touches for fall. Today, I'm starting right here in the bedroom, transforming it into a warm and inviting retreat. It's amazing how a few small changes can completely shift the feeling of a space. I'm beginning with a simple DIY wallpaper light feature. It's such an easy way to add character and warmth to the space. This feature is going to create a soft glow against the wall and a calming backdrop, almost like candlelight. As I layer this in, you'll notice how it sets the mood for the rest of the room. It's going to be soft, cozy, and welcoming. I can't wait for you guys to see how the light makes the space feel intimate, especially in the evenings. Little details like this bring so much personality without overwhelming your room. Next, I'm layering the bed with plush bedding. Fall is all about comfort, so I'm choosing soft, velvety textures that feel warm to the touch and instantly inviting. Each layer adds depth and coziness, making the bed the centerpiece of the room. There's something so comforting about sinking into layers at the end of a cool autumn day. Textures do more than add style, they change the entire mood of your space. Now for the accent pillows. I'm choosing off-white and rust-colored pillows. The off-white keeps things light and fresh, while the rust tones add that earthy autumn warmth, like the colors you see outside this time of the year. Mixing light and warm tones creates balance, bright but still cozy. Pillows are such an easy way to shift your decor from season to season. To finish, I'm bringing in seasonal touches. Rust florals for rich, moody pop of color, and mossy green spares for a natural, grounded element. These little details bring the whole look together and connect the space to the beauty of fall. I love how the rust adds a little bit of drama without overwhelming. It feels sophisticated yet seasonal. Green mossy textures remind me of the changing outdoors and add a peaceful, organic touch. With just a few simple changes, the bedroom now feels soft, layered, and perfectly cozy for fall. isn't about pumpkins. It's about transition. As the air cools, we naturally shift the way we live. Okay, family, this is the end of today's video. Let me know down in the comments which part of the video was your favorite and what colors are you using for fall. Also, let me know if you want me to do a walkthrough of this space. Guys, remember, if you're not walking with God, you are walking with the devil. And if your God is dead, come and try mine. I will see you guys on my next one. Always remember, never let your budget dictate your style, but create a space that you love. Design for life.